Hello humankind, hope you all are fit and fine. The Phytoplankton Academy welcomes you all and आज आप मिलने जा रहे हैं डॉक्टर मोहम्मद कैफ से जिन्होंने हाल ही में अपनी MBBS की डिग्री कंप्लीट की है फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड हॉस्पिटल हल्द्वानी। ये आपको बताएंगे किस तरीके से इन्होंने ये 5 साल की जर्नी कंप्लीट की है और किस तरीके से इन्होंने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में नीट यूजी को क्रैक किया था। डॉक्टर मोहम्मद कैफ।
Hello, myself Dr. Mohammad Kaif and I have cleared my NEET UG in 2018. I passed my class 12th in 2017 from Maria School Jaspur, and in 1 year of my preparation I have cleared NEET UG 2018 with all India rank of 6000 and 15 rank in Uttarakhand.
Good.
Back then my source was, and actually I have never taken a coaching or something like this. I was a self-study guy. I used to self-study and I have completed my 12th with maths and biology. So obviously my physics and chemistry subjects taking to numericals were quite strong as compared to others.
ओके डॉक्टर केफ, मैं पूछना चाहूँगी आपसे कि जैसे आप जानते हैं कि आपके पास मैथमेटिक्स एंड बायोलॉजी दोनों सब्जेक्ट्स थे, तो आपने किस सब्जेक्ट पे ज़्यादा फोकस किया जैसे कि आपको MBBS क्रैक करना था?
Taking it to NEET UG, the major chunk of the syllabus comes from biology. This 720 marks, and out of this 360 comes from biology and 180 and 180 roughly it comes from physics and chemistry. So it is obvious that you have to be the ultra important subject is biology. See, there's 2 portions of biology, one zoology and one botany, and it gives you 360 marks out of 720, and 180 marks comes from biology and physics and chemistry. So you have to be very strong in biology, and you for being strong in biology you just have not to learn the things, you also have to understand the things. At my time, this teacher of Phytoplankton Academy used to teach in her offline classes, and I attended her classes for clearing my concepts in biology, for clearing my concepts in chemistry and physics. See, ultimately you have to study yourself. You have to work hard for yourself, but for getting some good content and also the guidance you need a good teacher. And for me at that time was the mom which used to teach offline in a Phytoplankton Academy, and now there's a good opportunity for all you guys who cannot attend her offline classes. You can go online and watch her videos anytime on the YouTube.
ओके डॉक्टर केफ, मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ कि जिस तरीके से आपने एडमिशन लिया, एडमिशन के बाद आपने पढ़ाई स्टार्ट की होगी तो बहुत ज़्यादा बुक्स, बड़ी बड़ी बुक्स आपके सामने आई होंगी, तो आपने ये किस तरीके से, आपको थोड़ा हेजिटेशन भी हुआ होगा, थोड़ा डिफिकल्टीज़ भी आपने फेस की होगी, तो ये पूरे 5 साल आपने फ़न के साथ या कुछ डिफिकल्टीज़ के साथ कैसे कंप्लीट किए?
See, whenever you are trying to be a doctor, when you are studying for being a doctor, you have to clear in your mind that the journey is going to be difficult, but it is how you take it. See, there have been many instances where the burden of syllabus have been so much that it takes your pressure away, it gives you so much of pressure. But anyway, we have come into this field, we already knew that MBBS is a vast subject and studying 19 subjects that is too difficult to study. But when you are into some profession, you have to ultimately enjoy it to be successful in that, to exceed in certain profession. You have to enjoy the process, the working in which you are. So basically when it was my first year, it starts with the subject like anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. The single book of these subjects is more than the entire syllabus of NEET UG, which we used to think is too much when we were preparing for NEET UG. But ultimately when we come into MBBS and we see the thickness of the books, the amount of syllabus that comes in just first year, so it becomes difficult for us to adapt. So it is not like that you have to learn everything, but you have to understand everything. For this you have to study in such a way that you understand the thing and you go with the flow, and in the process of studying, find your life somewhere, do something which you enjoy, like some extracurricular activities, and also study by that time, because ultimately nothing is in MBBS if you don't study.
बहुत शुक्रिया डॉक्टर मोहम्मद कैफ। मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, जैसे कि आप एक यंगेस्ट डॉक्टर हैं, ये हमारे लिए प्राउड का मोमेंट है, तो आप हमें बताएं कि आपने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्रैक किया है, लेकिन जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी थोड़ा वीक चल रहे हैं, वो नहीं कंप्लीट कर पा रहे, नहीं क्रैक कर पा रहे और उनको 1-2 साल लग पा रहे हैं, तो आप उनको क्या सजेस्ट करना चाहेंगे?
See, basically मैं उनके लिए यही सजेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि if you are determined enough कि you have to crack NEET UG and you have to become doctor one day, so you have to be consistent in your studies. It is not like कि I have studied a day 16 hours a day and tomorrow I'm taking off. No, this should not be happen. अगर तुम 8 घंटे भी दिन के पढ़ रहे हो, 10 घंटे भी दिन के पढ़ रहे हो, but there should be a consistency. Like you have to study every day. There should, but it is not like that taking the burden on yourself. It is like the cause. Your aim should be pure enough that one day you have to clear NEET UG, so you are studying for that cause. And consistency is the key to success. Like if you are consistent, your memory, your weak subjects become stronger and stronger day by day. Like for example, when I used to study for NEET UG, my physics was strong being a mathematics student in class 12th. My biology was good because I have studied from ICSE school and they used to teach us in a vast way, and also the help from the teacher from Phytoplankton Academy made it even easier for me to learn the things. At the time my chemistry was not so good, so I always used to worry whenever I used to give Akash test or something Allen test, that coaching at the time. So in mock test my marks of chemistry were always in the lower side as compared to my biology and physics marks. So it is about finding out your weak points. Like I had found out that my weak point is chemistry, so if I'll give some extra time to it, it builds up a confidence in me. Like I know that I could clear my physics, I know that I could learn and give my zoology and botany good, but in chemistry I always used to get less marks as compared to other 3 subjects. So I worked on them and I make my weak point a bit stronger. That instills confidence in myself. In one subject instills the confidence that yes, these things were weak for you, but now okay, I have conquered them and I can do better in them. So this is the thing, like work on your weak points, be consistent in your studies, and have dream, be passionate about what you want to be in future, and enjoy the process. Like don't take it as a burden, enjoy the way you are studying.
Very, very thankful, Dr. Mohammed Kaif, and congratulations for your MBBS degree. Thanks a lot.